G, and we are going to be going over this problem using StatCrunch. Here we're asked to find the t-value in the right tail. And let's go ahead and open up StatCrunch. And we have 25 degrees of freedom, and the area in the right tail is 0.01. So here StatCrunch automates things, so we just click Stat, Calculators, and then we go into T-Calculator. And then here we just substitute in the area under the tail, which is 0.01, and then 25 degrees of freedom, and then it's in the right tail. So right now this would be in the left tail. So we go to the right tail, and it computed for us, and you can see it's up here between the 2 and the 4, closer to the 2, so 2.485. So let's go ahead and see if that works. That looks good. And now we have another one. So 0.15 is the area in the tail. And let's see. It is in the right tail with 9 degrees of freedom. So we'll leave that greater than and compute it like this. So here we have 1.0997. So round to 3 decimal places. So this would be, this would round up, so that would be 1.100. That's kind of a tricky one, because what happened here is the 7, we have to round the 9 up, and then that goes to the other 9, and then that becomes a 1.100. And notice this, anything to the right, in the right tail, or to the right of 0 is going to be positive, and then to the left is negative. Okay, so here we have another one. It's the left tail. And so we're going to switch this to the left, and then 0.00. Maybe too many. And then 6 degrees of freedom. So this one's going to be negative because it's to the left. And 0's in the middle. The left is negative. So this is negative 3.707. That looks good. Now on this one, we have, this is t-value that corresponds to 90% confidence. So that would be, the 90% would be the bulk, and then we'd have the 2 tails. So the 2 tails would each be, so the entire amount, area under the curve is 100%. And we're looking for 90% confidence, so on each side, 10% would be outside of that 90%, but each side would be 5%, so, or 0.05 for each tail. And this is 28 degrees of freedom, so let's try this, 28, and then 0.05. Compute that, negative, I meant to do it to the right. So, I messed that up. So 0.05. So I had to make sure that I changed the sign first and then put the 0.05, because then that will give me that area as 0.05, and then the t-value is 1.701. See if that works. All right, well, hopefully this was helpful, and if you have any questions, let me know. Please feel free to email me anytime. Thanks so much for watching.